If you don't have any business on this platform, Your Excellencies, distinguished Nigerians, it is now my honor.
We don't die out. We don't die out. 7 minutes ago. 7 minutes ago. We don't die out. DJ, let's party. What? Say what? Say what? Say. Get up. What? Say. What? You say. I want to. Say. I want to. I want to. Like it's all about you.
Darkness and light. Not so? Darkness and what? Light. APC is what? Darkness. APC is what? Darkness. PDP is what? Light. PDP is what? Light. Do you want the word for darkness? No. Do you want the word for darkness? No. Do you want the word for light? Yes. Are you sure? Yes. Then they want to take dictatorship and freedom. Do you want the word for light? Governor projects, my brother from Soto, and all our leaders here, chairman of our great party, and all our leaders. Rivers State, Rivers, you are too much. Today you have shown us your class, you have shown us your numbers. We thank you on behalf of the campaign for this beautiful outing. We now wait for Saturday for you to show Nigerians that wherever Wike and Rivers go, Nigeria will go. Wherever you are, that is where victory is. On Saturday, for you to come out on us and give us a million of votes.
And the governor of Rivers State, my good younger brother, Saraki. In Rivers State, is total for PDP. And there's nobody that can distract us. The Rivers State has been a PDP state that all of you will continue to thank you for your commitment, no matter the challenges, for you to be very fine to support the governor and push the agenda of the day. All of us know that from May 2015 to date, a number of things that have never happened in this country have been happening. And in 2015, I did mention that the choice before Nigeria is either to move forward or to move backward. And within this past almost 4 years, you can attest to yourself, are we going forward or we are going backward? And I believe that you all know that we cannot, as a nation, continue to stay where we are. And the person now that can lead us and get us out of this partner that we are is Alazi Atiku Abubakar. Abubakar, that's the person that we are supporting. We are the president, we are the president of the last year with him.
I restore River State to Niger Delta to what is supposed to be is Alaji Atiku Abubakar, because he believes in his government. In his of Nigeria, the Niger Delta will be different, River State will be different. Atiku will create jobs. Atiku will make the country to start working again. If you want this country to work again, vote for Atiku. Will you vote for Atiku? Thank you and God bless you.
Now, this cameraman, am I addressing you or am I addressing the people?
Clap.
PDP! PDP! Before I make my short remarks, let me use this opportunity to pay tribute. Who is patriotic? Who is fearless? Who is courageous? Who is hardworking? Who believes in this country? That Nigerian is Governor Wike. You see, Wike and I have a few things in common. We know the fear war. We know the fear war. You want somebody who has the fear to lead you? It means if he is afraid, you will all be finished. And I want to commend him for the hard work he has done in this state. I have been part and parcel of this state since 1984. I have not seen one single governor who has transformed modernized state. Talk about infrastructure. I have been to many parts of this state. The states or the places where I used to go with boat, now I can go by road on a car, sitting comfortably. We can do all this. Health, education, name it. Everything he has done for you. He deserves a second term. He deserves to be re-elected. Having said that, and I know you are going to re-elect him. Are you? If you are going to re-elect him, then we can raise our hands, please. I beg of you. What do you say, Rivers? Can you go? Can you go? We can you go? Can you go? Can you go? That's what we do. Can you go? Can you go? Can you go? That's what we do. Can you go? We can more and more. I think we can Now, there is another one I picked up from another state. If I say Wike, you say it's a go. Wike! Thank you very much. You see, if you elect PDP, which I'm sure you are going to elect, And if you elect Atiku, first of all, you know that I am the author of restructuring. I will give it to Niger Delta, I will give it to all parts of this country. We must restructure. Secondly, it is the Obasanjo-Atiku administration that started the East-West Highway. Till today, it is not finished. It is not finished because we did not vote for PDP to continue. APC came and wanted it. If you vote for PDP again, we are going to finish it. Number 3, you see airports that don't work, don't create jobs. You see the old Harcourt port, you see the old airport, we will complete them so that we can create thousands of jobs for young men and women in Rivers State. You have seen that APC has not done anything for you. They have not done anything for Niger Delta. They have not done anything for South South. Every development that you have got in South South, Niger Delta or Rivers State is PDP. Your roads, PDP. Your schools, PDP. Your hospitals, PDP. Your water, PDP. Hey, what do you want again, I beg you? So continue voting for PDP. I beg you. PDP! PDP! Now, finally, I want to assure you that you see this all, I will protect the Constitution. You know, say nobody court reach me in Nigeria to protect our Constitution. As you see this all, I will protect separation of powers. I will not interfere with the National Assembly because I believe in checks and balances. As you see this all, I will not interfere with the judiciary because it is part and parcel of our checks and balances. As you see this all, I will uphold the rule of law. I will not allow the rule of law to be trampled by anybody. Do you know what the president said yesterday in Zamfara? When he went, he said, Zamfara people, let us pray for rainfall. Let us pray we grow food. Let's pray we eat belly food. And then we can make trouble. Is that what the president should say? Is that what the president should say? Buhari, I'm addressing you. This is a president who is preaching violence. And this is not the first time he has done so in this country. We are not going to allow any person to knock our heads and make us fight. We want peace, we want development, we want prosperity, we want jobs. That is what we want for this country. We are not ready to fight each other again. So any leader who has come to instigate us to fight against each other, we will use our ballot paper to throw him out.